Much love, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I don't know if I'll keep this as the opener or if I will film one tomorrow, but today is wash day. So I'm going to be washing my hair without a retwist. So I'm going to show you what shampoo I'm using, let you know what my whole process is, and my routine. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. First off, though, I would like to say I hope that you all are doing okay. It's rough out there. I know I'm looking rough. I just came back from a protest. It's my second day in a row, and I'm just so exhausted, you guys. So many emotions, so many things are going on. But, you know, I like to connect with you and film these videos, so that is what I'm doing right now. And so please let me know how you are doing down below in the comments. And if you're not doing okay, feel free to say I'm not doing okay. But okay, so let's go ahead and we'll get into the video. All right. Okay, so in one of my previous videos, I asked for some suggestions on some shampoos. I had finished my Shea Moisture bottle of, I think it was called Weightless. So I got two suggestions, and one of them was a Giovanni, and it was the tea tree. I think it's like triple treat with tea tree in it. I could not get that one. I'm doing grocery orders. I have not been in like a store for this kind of stuff. I've been to a grocery store, but the one I've been to doesn't carry Giovanni. I ordered this. This was with the Whole Foods order, and they were out of the triple treat. So this is the 50/50. I have this one recommended by one of you all. Thank you so much. And then I had another recommendation of the Tea Tree Tingle of Trader Joe's. And I'm so glad because it jogged my memory. I was like, oh my goodness, I tried this as a natural. I remember it was like all the rage on the natural hair boards. And I tried it and I didn't love it. So I used one bottle and stopped purchasing it. But perhaps, as you know, with locked hair, what my hair loves is different than when I was natural. So I'll go ahead and try this one or this one. I'm not sure you know what, you guys, it's been a very, very, very long day. And like I said, I just got home from the protest. I'm exhausted. I took my kids out earlier. We went to the park, hiking and stuff. So I think I'm gonna use the Tingle. Because I need to kind of feel rejuvenated and feel that on my scalp and whatnot. Okay, so that's that. I choose this one. I'm going to use this one this time. I do not use any conditioners, so that will be out. Or I haven't yet. I'm not against it. My hair just hasn't needed it since being locked. What else? I think that's it for now. I'm going to hop in the shower or first I will take my hair down and show you guys how I'm looking right now. Okay, so about 1.5 months since my last retwist. I'm not retwisting today, like I said. This is just a wash. This is how I'm looking. Not, you know. Oh, I cannot wait to get in this shower. Okay, so I am out and I just moisturized my face and everything. Feeling so much better. Now, I did my little shake, shake, shake routine in there, and usually I do not dry my hair. I just shake it off, and that is it. But it's nighttime, and so I do not want to go to bed with super wet hair, and I'm not retwisting either, so I don't need my hair to be wet. So that being said, I did use a towel to kind of, get some of the water off, but that's part of my hair. Hold on one second, my kids are going off, so I'm going to close the door. Okay, so part of my like wash routine, moisture routine, that's how I retain moisture, is to not dry my hair after I wash it. I just shake it off and go on about my business usually. So that's different right now. When I wash with no retwist, I just check in with my hair and kind of pop any locks that need to be separated. Now that it's wet and pliable, I go through and do that all the way around my head. So I'm going to do that right now. That's done. I would usually, if I was retwisting, I would go in with my rose water as I was retwisting to make sure that my hair was remaining wet. I do not know, I don't think I'm going to do that right now, only because I want to see how this shampoo is. I used it at Tea Tree Tingle for the first time, so I want to see how my hair retains moisture without anything extra. So I will check in with my hair in the morning and see how it's doing, and if I need to moisturize then, I will. I will say that washing without a retwist is getting easier and easier. It's something I've done my whole loc journey since the very beginning, but it gets simpler and simpler because my locks are kind of locking themselves now. So, even when I wash, they're still looking, they're still together in their own lock. So it was a little bit more maintenance to do in the next retwist before. Now it's like, no big deal. For me, I love to wash with no retwist because I like to wash often. I'm not going to retwist my hair every time. I retwist about every 2 to 3 months. So I'll be doing that, I don't know, in a week or so, and I want to do a very detailed retwist video. I have done retwist before, I will link above, but I want to do a really detailed one, like close up and slow, and for those of you who have not retwisted before and are looking for something like that. So look out for that video. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but you guys know I had a very long day. So I'm going to go ahead and end it here. If I did miss something and you have questions, or if you have any comments, please leave that down below and I will chat with you there. But that is it. All right, I'll see you in 3 days. I post every 3 days, so I'll see you then. Okay, bye.